Make a great choice today with 2021 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, four-wheel drive, brake assist, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass, variable speed, intermittent wipers, smart device integration. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.